Question. Number 11. Which branch of the government has the power to make laws, alter, and repeal them? A. Legislative. B. Executive. C. Judicial. D. Government. Answer. A. Legislative. The legislative branch is empowered to make, amend, and revoke laws. The Republic of the Philippines is divided into three equally powerful divisions: legislative, executive, and judiciary. The executive branch, composed of the President, Vice President, the Cabinet, and the local government, shall enforce the laws. The judicial branch, composed of the Supreme Court and lower courts, shall review and evaluate the rules and laws. It is a fundamental principle of our system of representative government that the legislative department has plenary power to enact laws and to amend or repeal them, subject only to the provisions of the Constitution from which this power arises.
Question. Number 12. John was arrested and placed under custodial investigation. He was not informed of his right to remain silent and to have competent and independent counsel, preferably of his own choice. What constitutional right of John was violated? A. Economic rights. B. Civil rights. C. Political rights. D. Social rights. Answer. B. Civil rights. Civil rights are the rights of citizens to be considered fairly and not discriminated against in various contexts, including schooling, jobs, healthcare, housing, and public accommodation. Article 14. Paragraph 3, d, of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights ICCPR states that all persons has the right, to be tried in his presence, and to defend himself in person or through legal assistance of his own choosing, to be informed, if he does not have legal assistance, of his right, and to have legal assistance assigned to him, in any case where the interests of justice so require and without payment by him in any such case if he does not have sufficient means to pay for it. This forms part of the civil right of a person to have access to the judicial system.
Question. Number 13. What law was passed by the Philippine Congress in 1995 affirming that people with disabilities are completely integrated into society? A. Republic Act No. 7277. B. Republic Act No. 7722. C. Republic Act No. 7784. D. Republic Act No. 7776. Answer. A. Republic Act No. 7277. The Republic Act No. 7277, known and cited as the Magna Carta for Disabled Persons, ensures that disabled people are thoroughly incorporated into society.
Question. Number 14. What is the written instrument that determines the Philippine government's fundamental powers, limited and defined, by which their power is distributed among several branches for the benefit of the people? A. The Bill of Rights. B. The Philippine Constitution. C. Republic Acts. D. Rules and Regulations. Answer. B. The Philippine Constitution. The Philippine Constitution is the supreme law of the Republic of the Philippines. It is a written instrument that describes, restricts, and specifies the fundamental powers of the government, which allocates these powers to different departments to support the public for their safe and useful exercise. The Philippine Constitution is a written instrument by which the fundamental powers of the government are established, limited, and defined, and by which these powers are distributed among several branches for their safe and useful exercise for the benefit of the people.
Question. Number 15. What are the four elements of state? A. Population. Territory. Sovereignty. Government. B. Population. Constitution. Territory. Government. C. Government. Law. Peace. Territory. D. Constitution. People. Land. Independence. Answer. A. Population. Territory. Sovereignty. Government. The state has four essential elements: population, territory, government, and sovereignty.